How to print instances of a class using print. When I try to print an instance of a class, I get an output like this. How can I define the printing behavior, or the string representation, of a class and its instances? For example, referring to the above code, how can I modify the test class, so that printing an instance shows their value?
The __str___ method is what gets called happens when you print it, and the __repa___ method is what happens when you use the repa function, or when you look at it with the interactive prompt. If no __str___ method is given, Python will print the result of __repa___ instead. If you define __str___ but not __repa___, Python will use what you see above as the __repa___, but still use __str___ for printing.
As Chris Latz explains, this is defined by the __repa___ method in your class. From the documentation of repa. For many types, this function makes an attempt to return a string that would yield an object with the same value when passed to eval, otherwise the representation is a string enclosed in angle brackets that contains the name of the type of the object together with additional information, often including the name and address of the object. A class can control what this function returns for its instances by defining a __repa___ method. Given the following class test. It will act the following way in the Python shell. If no __str___ method is defined, print t or print str t will use the result of __repa___ instead. If no __repa___ method is defined, then the default is used, which is roughly equivalent to
If you were in a situation like at Keith, you could try. It goes against what I would consider good style, but if you are just trying to debug, then it should do what you want.
A generic way that can be applied to any class without specific formatting could be done as follows. And then produces.
A prettier version of response by @user 394430. Produces visually nice list of the names and values. An even fancier version, thanks rude, sorts the items.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.